Today is my birthday! I am very happy! Yes! It is my birthday party day! I'm so excited! Wow! The living room was decorated! It looks so beautiful!
Good morning, and happy birthday, Tom.
Thank you, Mom. I cannot wait until my birthday party.
Tom, I need to go to work now. I will try to be at home as soon as I can.
Dad, you have to go now? But today is not your working day.
Yes, today is not my working day. But it's an emergency. I will try to be back soon.
Enjoy your birthday party, Tom. See you soon.
Okay, Dad. I will try. Dad will come back soon, before my birthday party ends.
Your friends will come soon. Be prepared, Tom.
They are here! My friends are here! I'm coming! Wait a second! Wow! The room is so beautiful! We are really excited! Welcome to my birthday party! Enjoy the snacks! Happy birthday, Tom! Thank you, guys! Welcome to my birthday party! This party is so fun!
Happy birthday to you, Tom. It's time for the cake.
Wow! The cake looks so delicious! But Dad is not here. Mom, when will Dad come back?
He is busy right now. But I think he will be here soon.
Dad forgot my birthday. Tom, don't be so sad. We can still have fun. Can we continue the party? I am really hungry now. Can we eat the cake? You only think about yourself. Do whatever you want. I'm just hungry. Why did you yell at me? Tom, you are very rude to your friend. Say sorry to him. It's okay. He is just angry. He didn't mean to.
Tom, you should not say that to your friend. That's not nice.
I don't want to say sorry. Leave me alone. It's not fun anymore. We feel very upset.
I am so sorry about Tom. After he has calmed down, he will apologize to you, don't worry.
Dad does not love me. He is not here, even it's my birthday. Oh, there are many videos of my birthday party in the past. Let me see.
Happy birthday, Tom!
We love you very much.
I love my family. Dad always loves me. I was wrong. I hurt my friend's feeling. I need to apologize them. I am sorry for being rude. I understand now.
It's okay. Make sure it won't happen again, Tom. But tomorrow, you need to say sorry to your friends.
I will, Mom.
Let's light the candles, Tom. But let me place the candles first.
I wish my family is together now.
I'm home. Sorry for being late.
Wait, that sounds like Dad. Is he home? Dad, you are back. I really miss you.
Happy birthday to our Tom!
Will he still be mad at us? I have no idea. Welcome back, my friends. Sorry about yesterday. I was rude to you guys. It's okay, Tom. We forgive you. Now we can eat and play together. It will be so much fun. I'm so excited. You apologize to your friends. Good job, Tom. Thank you, everyone. Now, let's enjoy the party. Now, let's party. Yay! Wow. The foods are really good, but cake is the best.
I'm so proud of you, Tom. You realized you were wrong and apologized to your friends.
Thank you, Dad.